Ramadan is just around the corner. Are you ready to make this the best one yet? Stick around, because today we're sharing 5 things you need to prepare for the holy month.
Assalamualaikum.
Hey everyone, can you feel it? Ramadan is almost here, the month of blessings, fasting, and a chance to reconnect with Allah. But let's be honest, diving into Ramadan without preparation can be overwhelming. That's why today, we're going to talk about the 5 essential things you should prepare before Ramadan arrives. Whether you're a seasoned pro or it's your first Ramadan, these tips will help you make the most of this beautiful month. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's get started. Strengthen your relationship with the Qur'an. First up, let's talk about the Qur'an. Ramadan is the month of the Qur'an, and we all want to build a deeper connection with it during this time. But here is the thing, it's hard to dive straight into long recitations if you're not used to reading regularly. Start by reading just a few pages of the Qur'an every day, even if it's only for 5 to 10 minutes. Gradually increase your time as you get into the habit. Even 15 to 20 minutes can make a big difference over time. Use this moment to reconnect with the text and ease into the rhythm of daily Qur'an reading. Next, reflect on the meanings as you read. Don't just focus on the Arabic recitation, but take the time to understand the message. Use apps like Qur'an Companion or Tafsir resources to dive deeper into the verses and their context. Reflecting on what you're reading can help you build a stronger spiritual connection. And then, set realistic goals for yourself. Maybe you want to finish reading the entire Qur'an this Ramadan, or focus deeply on understanding specific surahs. Write your goals down and break them into smaller, manageable steps. By starting now, these goals will feel less overwhelming and more achievable when Ramadan begins. Also, consider practicing memorization of a short surah if time allows. It's a wonderful way to enhance your prayers during Ramadan. Imagine Ramadan starting, and you're already in the habit of reading daily. You'll feel more confident and spiritually connected right from day one. Trust me, future you will thank you. Create a healthy routine. Let's be real, Ramadan can flip our routines upside down. With fasting, late-night prayers, and early suhoors, our energy can take a hit. But don't wait until the first day of fasting to adjust your schedule. Here's what you can do now. First, practice waking up earlier. Start by trying to wake up 15 to 30 minutes before Fajr to pray or enjoy a small light meal. Gradually extend this time if possible so that by Ramadan, waking up for suhoor feels natural and less of a shock to your body. Additionally, use this time to engage in some quiet dua or reflection. It can be a peaceful and spiritually uplifting way to start your day. Cut back on caffeine. If you're a coffee lover like me, now is the time to start gradually reducing your intake. Begin by switching to decaf or limiting yourself to 1 cup a day. This helps prevent those dreaded caffeine withdrawal headaches that can make fasting harder. You might also explore alternatives like herbal teas or warm water with lemon to ease the transition and maintain your morning ritual. And then, get moving. Incorporate light exercise like walking or stretching into your daily routine. Regular physical activity boosts your energy levels and strengthens your body, preparing you for the longer Tarawih prayers and the fasting days ahead. Even a 10 to 15 minute walk after a meal can make a big difference in how energized and focused you feel. Bonus tip: if you're fasting Sunnah fast on Mondays and Thursdays, this is a great way to prepare your body for Ramadan. Plan your dua and spiritual goals. Ramadan is a month of dua. It's when your connection with Allah is strongest. But here's the thing. How often do we sit down and really think about what we want to ask for? First, make a dua list. Write down everything big or small. Whether it's for forgiveness, guidance, blessings for your loved ones, or even personal dreams and aspirations, this is the time to ask Allah. Be specific and detailed in your duas. Nothing is too small or too big to bring to Allah in the sacred month. Next, divide your dua list into categories: personal, family, ummah, and akhirah. This helps ensure that you're covering all aspects of your life and beyond. For example, your personal category could include duas for your health, career, or education, while the family category could focus on your parents, siblings, spouse, or children. For the ummah, pray for unity, peace, and relief for those who are suffering around the world. And then, think about your spiritual goals too. Do you want to pray all 5 prayers on time and with khushu? Attend Tarawih every night without fail. Give more charity or volunteer your time for community projects. Plan these goals out now and break them into manageable steps so you're not scrambling during the month. For instance, start practicing praying on time every day or scheduling time in your week to research local charities or volunteer opportunities. The more intentional and prepared you are, the more fulfilling your Ramadan will be. Imagine having a clear dua list ready every night after iftar. No wasted moments, just you and your heartfelt connection with Allah. Organize your meals and iftar plan. Food is a big part of Ramadan, but it can also be a huge distraction if we're not careful. Spending hours in the kitchen or overeating during iftar can take away from the spiritual benefits of fasting. First, plan a simple weekly menu for suhoor and iftar. Think about incorporating a variety of balanced, nutrient-dense meals that are quick and easy to prepare. Include options like smoothies, soups, grilled proteins, and fresh salads that will keep your energy levels stable without leaving you feeling sluggish. Also, consider planning for lighter meals on days when you might feel too tired to cook extensively. And then, avoid waste. Make a detailed grocery list and stick to it. By planning exactly what you need, you can prevent overbuying and reduce food waste. Consider prioritizing fresh, local produce and avoid purchasing items in excess that might spoil quickly. Not only does this approach help you stay organized, but it also ensures you don't overspend, leaving more resources to allocate towards sadaqah or other charitable efforts. Bonus idea: get your family involved. Cooking together can be a bonding experience and keeps the focus on togetherness rather than extravagance. Remember, the goal of Ramadan isn't to feast, it's to fast. Keep it simple, nutritious, and focused on fueling your worship. Give back and start practicing generosity. Last but definitely not least, Ramadan is a month of giving. Charity is one of the fastest ways to earn blessings, but sometimes we wait until the last 10 days to give. Let's flip that script. First, setting aside a portion of your income for sadaqah each week. Even small amounts count, and over time, they add up to make a significant impact. Consider automating your donations to make it easier to stay consistent throughout the month. And then, practicing kindness daily. Smile more, help a neighbor, or forgive someone who wronged you. Even simple gestures like holding the door open or offering a kind word can make a big difference. These small acts prepare your heart for the bigger acts of giving during Ramadan and remind you that generosity isn't only about money, it's about creating a ripple effect of positivity and compassion in your community. Generosity isn't just about money, it's about time, love, and effort. Make giving a habit now and watch how it transforms your Ramadan experience. And there you have it, 5 essential things to prepare before Ramadan. Strengthen your connection with the Qur'an, build a healthy routine, plan your du'as, organize your meals, and practice generosity. The beauty of Ramadan isn't just in the fasting, it's in the preparation, the intention, and the small changes we make to draw closer to Allah. So here's your challenge. What's one thing you're going to start preparing today? Drop it in the comments, and let's inspire each other. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Ramadan tips, and share this with a friend who might need a little reminder. And may this Ramadan be your best yet.
Assalamualaikum.